Wish I had a better way of showing people this. I wish I didn't have to record it with my fucking shitty ass camera. But I'm playing Fallout New Vegas and I was reloading my weapon. And I've been reloading for about 5 minutes now. Just no end in sight. Just gonna keep reloading that pistol. I mean, eventually I'll get really good at it. And I'll be actually, like, it'll actually benefit me. This will benefit me in some way, shape, or form. Oh, I gotta be quiet. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just some guy right next to this truck, reloading my revolver. Someone should arrest me.